Well, you didn't say anything.
I'm bleeding!
No, I'm bleeding because of you.
Not even. What's your blood?
You're going to show me my own blood?
Yes, because you don't know you're really bleeding.
No. But I trust you, though.
Well, you don't trust
Why? I don't know.
You don't trust Trey.
Well, I do. I trusted he would tell me the truth after he started my blood, started me bleeding. What are you doing now?